Okay, teachers, if you want to make AI in ClassPoint, the ClassPoint that you have used in your PowerPoint, first thing to do, open your browser, type ai.classpoint.io, ai.classpoint.io, do not forget. And this is the landing page of ClassPoint AI. Please type your own email and then click join the wait list, and then AI will send you information through your email. Do not forget it. Another thing, the good thing from ClassPoint AI, that is the AI can use the generated questions. Okay, there are three types of question of the feature of ClassPoints. First, multiple choice. Second, sub-answer. The last is fill in the blanks. Another thing, Bloom taxonomy combining with the AI here. From the lower or lowest question, remembering, and the highest question, creating. Of course, the teacher will understand about this one. And how many languages? So many languages supported in here. Mandarin, English, Bahasa, Japanese, Korean, and others. Take it and grab it from ai.classpoint.io. Okay? What for are you waiting for? Just do it right now. AI ClassPoint revolution. Okay, in our PowerPoint that I have made, I made text for science in English. This text talking about stomach. So from the information here, I would like to make a question, interactive question with ClassPoint that has add in my PowerPoint. So the new feature of ClassPoint, that is AI and artificial intelligence. So I will ask AI. I will ask AI to make a question. Then I will convert, turn it to interactive quiz. Okay. The first thing to do is you have to make it slideshow. After slideshow like this, you look the feature and find the logo of AI. See over here, this is AI quiz. The AI quiz will provide question and help us to make question, and then we will choose which part of the question and we will insert it in our slide. Before we ask AI to do something for us, we have to set for the option first. The option we click, and then there are three types of question: multiple choice, fill in the blank, and short answer. You can choose any of these, maybe only multiple choice, or fill in the blanks, or all of them. Short answer, fill in the blanks, and multiple choice. And also in this AI of ClassPoint, there is Bloom's taxonomy levels. You want to make, maybe you want to make a part of remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Okay, at this time, I will make it understand types of Bloom taxonomy in the three types of questions. And do not forget to choose the language. At this case, I will use English. Okay, back again, and then now, after you set up in option, click generate question. And then the AI will read in our slide first, then they will make a question. This is the first. Where is the stomach located? Okay, this is the multiple choice question that AI help us. We check the answer and we save it a slide. If you think you need another option, you can generate another. At this case, I will save a slide. Now I will look for another question for short answer and fill in the blanks. Okay, this is the second question or the second quiz. How many parts in the stomach divided into? Okay, this is because multiple choice type. I want to skip it and generate another until I find short answer or fill in the blank. Okay, this is the third question. What are the enzymes secreted by stomach? Check the answer. Yes, you can transform or convert this to be a short answer or fill in the blanks. We save it a slide first. And okay, what is the function of pepsin? Okay, the answer is the function of pepsin is breaks down protein into peptone. If you see the kind of this type, it will be short answer, right? So I will save a slide first. Okay, and then I close. Remember, whenever you AI quiz, you have to make it slideshow first. If you think finish, you may push ESC at the top corner of your laptop or desktop. Done. But we have to change the correct answer from AI to be multiple choice features in ClassPoint. Look here, multiple choice. I will click. There are 4 options. A, B, C, D. For high school, maybe A, B, C, D, E, so you have to click 5. But the correct answer B by ClassPoint has automatically put it B, like this, and then you turn on quiz mode. I think it's done. The color change. I will delete the answer from AI. Next slide, I do the same thing. The answer from AI, pepsin and renin, I will choose fill in the blanks. I will make it fill in the blanks type. Then there are 2 blanks because the answer only 2, pepsin and renin. By ClassPoint, blank, the first blank pepsin, the second blank renin. Okay, that's good. Now I will delete from AI answer. The last one, the next slide will be subjective. Subjective will be short answer because there is no automatically answer. The teacher themselves will manually correcting the student answer. So I will close only the teacher clue. Done. So we have now multiple choice type and fill in the blanks type, the last one short answer type. Okay, if you have finished, we play a slideshow, and do not forget, as usual, the student must open the link of ClassPoint.io because the question over here the student will answer. I click multiple choice, and after that the student answer. As you can choose which one is the correct one, and we do gaming, leveling, and others. Next, I will move to another question. We did before or previously, the student's answer will pop up over here. The last slide or the last question will be in short answer. Remember, short answer will be subjective for students, so we do it manually. Okay, and then we click short answer, and soon after the students submit their response, the response will be pop up over here. Okay, I will close. So the way how we use AI from ClassPoint, starting ClassPoint searching or making the questions and the answer, and then we change it to feature of ClassPoint. There are 3 types of the features that we can use. First, multiple choice, the second short answer, and the last one is fill in the blanks. Okay, see ya.